This is the most fun part of my job, I think, is to just drive, explore Norway, and maybe hopefully someday explore the world doing this. I love it. I love road tripping, even though it's just work. So join me. And like that, it's dark outside. Dark is now 3:30. But now I'm gonna grab a burger. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow morning. Sounds good? Sounds good. Love a burger. Whew. Good morning. Now we're off to the school. So let's go. That was fun. I'm actually done for today. I am going to film some stuff tomorrow, but for the rest of the day today, I'm off. So I just decided to go check out these mountains right there. That looks so damn cool. And I flew my drone. This is what it looks like. Tomorrow I gotta film the rest of the stuff that I need to film, and after that I'm gonna drive on a road I've never driven before, past Norway's National Mountain. I'm just looking forward to it. It's such an epic mountain, and I hope the weather is on my side, because you can get some crispy drone shots. I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Isn't that a little bit early to say goodnight at 2:30? Well, I'll see you tomorrow. I am so glad I stopped here. This mountain is insane. Looks so cool. I've seen it in pictures before, never in real life, and I have to say, pictures never do this justice. Like, nope. It's so cool. And I got to fly my drone. I got to take a shit ton of pictures and time lapses, everything. So for now, thank you for joining me on this trip. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit a like button, 1 or 2, maybe 3. Leave a comment below if you liked the video. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Should I do hair down or should I keep it up? What do you say, guys? Hair down, hair up, hair removed? The last choice is not a choice. I will never remove my hair.